Welcome back to Nangwea's investment channel. Yeah, we are back here with another lesson. This lesson today will focus on screen replacement. Want to replace a new screen in a laptop or on a laptop, whatever. But the thing is, now we have three different laptops. What I want to do, what I wanted to help also some other technician or other beginners. This type of laptops, this is slim one. We're using one criteria, one way in different laptops. For example, like the way how you see me here, I have this Dell. This Dell, and I have HP here, this HP, and I have also Lenovo, this one. On top of this one, there is Acer, Asus, and Packardbell. All this one, the latest one. The one that taking this latest screen, like this one. Whether it's 15.6 or 14.0, 14.1, or 13.6 or 13.3 or 11.6, as long as is slim like this one, quite LED. This one, we're using same criteria how to replace on a laptop. So like the way how you see it, this one is a Dell model number, is a Dell Latitude 3580. This one, like the way how you see it, 3580 i3. This one, I have HP Celeron. Model number is 15 series. This one is also using same criteria. And this one is a Lenovo IdeaPad 3. This one is a borderless. But we're using also same criteria how to replace a broken, how to replace a new screen and to remove a broken screen. Okay, now let's dig in. From here, I will demonstrate only this one. This is Dell. But the same way I utilizing to fix this Dell is the same way, or even you will use also to apply, you will apply same way in different laptops, like the way how I show you already. Let's begin. Watch whatever I'm doing is only the way you will also do when you want to replace the screen. Don't rush, don't force. Wherever you see is hard, don't rush to take out. Don't force, must be gentle. Here there is a skin. This skin is like a sorrow tape. They apply here. This one, it must remaining to LCD, not to case. Okay. This one must be remaining to LCD, not to frame. Okay, right. They put also sorrow tape, double tape here. This one is a double tape. They will apply to make this screen be tightened with this one. And shift here up. Shift this one up. And you can take out as such the way how I taking out. Okay. Now this LCD, this skin, make sure it's remaining to this one because it's protecting the LCD underbody here. There is a small board here that's supporting backlights and display. Right, now there is a 4 screw. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This screw, they hold this screen to from this one, from this back cover. So what I will do, I will remove this one. The way how you take it out, not just to take like up or so. You just make sure there is nowhere it's tight. Then you will bending like this, not too much. Then focus the cable, flex cable, attach it to camera. This one is the one cable. So here you must peel the solo tape. They apply to the back and release the cable from the screen. Yeah. Now here the screen. So wanted to replace a new screen. Now I have a screen that I want to replace here. Make sure you get the same size. This one, the one that I take out there is a 15.6 30-pin connector. This one also is a 15.6 30-pin connector. Now, let me put it back. First, the way how I take it out is the way how I will put it back. Same way. So, first I should connect our flex here to this part. Now just to connect here. That one is the flex, I put it back. But before you put everything back, you should test if the screen is okay. Then switch it on the laptop. Then you will see it will display here. Now you will understand that the LCD that I'm putting here, I connect the cable properly and it's displaying. Then you can carry on, continue to assemble it back. Then we will put back the screws like the way how it was. Here also we will put another screw the way how it was. Here also we will put another screw the way how it was. The same procedure, the same way how you was removing, the same way that you were supposed to put it back. Same position. Like that, okay? Now, what next is to put back the tape here. We'll put back the tape so that it will, double tape. It will hold this part, that is the part of the screen, and this part, the part of frame. Once it tightens each other like that, or even if it can falling down again, it can manage not to be shaken or to be broken easily. Now let's get the double tape. Now, so now my double tape is far. What I will do is just to put back, but don't forget to get a double tape. Because double tape is the one that can manage to hold this one and this one properly. Now, you will put back the frame. The way how we take it out, you put it back. Okay? And just pin it back gently. If you have too much power, make sure you put this one gently. You pin this one gently, because once you apply too much power, you will break also the screen. While the job is already done. Okay. Everything, make sure you tighten it back like the way how it was. Okay. So now let's see how it will display. Sharp. Now this is the end of our session. Now we will meet again when we embark in another session with another lesson. But before we go, don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, share, download, and comment, so that you can support this channel in such way. Thank you.